Arjuna exiles himself. As advised by sage Narada, the Pandavas decided that each one would spend a month with Draupadi. None of the other brothers would intrude on the other during that period. If any of them did, he would willingly go into exile for 12 years. One day, a Brahmana came seeking King Yudhishthira's help to get back his stolen cows. At that time, Yudhishthira was with Draupadi, so Arjuna offered to help. But his bow and arrows had been left behind in Draupadi's room. Either he went in and got them, or the angry Brahmana would curse the king, his brother. Arjuna decided to break his promise to his brother, rather than cause the Brahmana to curse him. He went in and got his bow and arrows, explaining to Yudhishthira and Draupadi that he would go into exile now. During this period, Arjuna had many adventures. Ulupi. Arjuna travelled to many places during his period of exile. During his travels, he met Ulupi and married her. A son, Iravan, was born to them, who later fought heroically in the war at Kurukshetra till he died. Ulupi was a Naga princess, the daughter of Kauravya. She took him to her father's kingdom under the waters of the Ganga. She was an expert warrior. Ulupi taught the art of war to Babruvahana, Arjuna's son by Chitrangada. When Babruvahana caught the horse that was travelling for the Ashwamedha sacrifice, he had to fight a battle with Arjuna, not knowing that Arjuna was his father. Babruvahana injured Arjuna, who became unconscious. Ulupi, hearing of this, rushed to revive him, using the Mrita Sanjeevani gem, which was known only to the Nagas. She introduced Babruvahana and Arjuna. After Arjuna had left with the Pandavas on his last journey, she returned to her river kingdom. Chitrangada. When Arjuna was undergoing exile, he wandered into the kingdom of Manipura. He fell in love with the king's daughter Chitrangada, who also loved him. The kingdom of Manipura had a matriarchal system, meaning that daughters could inherit the kingdom. The king's only child was Chitrangada, so he agreed to give her in marriage to Arjuna on the condition that her son would grow up to be the ruler of Manipura. Arjuna agreed, and the marriage took place. Babruvahana was the son of Arjuna and Chitrangada. Arjuna left to join the Pandavas, so his son grew up without knowing him. It was the same Babruvahana who was taught by his stepmother Ulupi and injured in battle, who was introduced to his father Arjuna by her. Subhadra. While Arjuna was studying at Drona's ashrama, he heard about the beautiful Subhadra, half-sister of Krishna. During exile, he went disguised as an ascetic to Dwarka. Krishna recognized him even in disguise. When Arjuna told him he wished to marry Subhadra, Krishna said that his elder brother Balrama wouldn't agree, so he would have to be persuaded. Krishna helped him plan how to go about it. With Balrama's consent, the ascetic stayed in Subhadra's garden, and she looked after him with devotion. Arjuna, still disguised, shared the stories of the Pandavas with her. Soon he came to know that she loved Arjuna secretly. Then he revealed himself. It was a Kshatriya custom then to abduct the chosen lady with her consent and marry her. Krishna helped them, and Arjuna took her to Indraprastha. He warned her to win over Draupadi first. With the consent of both Draupadi and Balrama, they were married. Abhimanyu was their son.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.